Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I do this glueless wig install from ISEEHAIR, so just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm showing you guys the viral ISEEHAIR wig. I've seen this all over TikTok, and y'all, this wig is so popular because it looks natural. It is glueless, so you don't have to use any glue to install this hair. So it comes in this really cute shopping bag, and the texture I got is Kinky Curly. So cute. The packaging is really pretty. You get your hair, you get extra accessories for the hair, so you get 3 extra combs, and you also get an elastic band. And the installation process of this, you really do want to use the elastic band so you can adjust it as tight and snug to your hair as possible, so that you don't have to use glue. And then you have the 3 combs so that you can adjust it and make sure it's nice and secure on your head. And then it comes with a wig cap, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on, and I'm gonna show you guys this hair. All right, I put my wig cap on, and this is the hair. It is in 20 inches, so it's really pretty kinky curly texture. It is really nice and defined. It looks nice and natural as well too, and it's super soft. So it's already pre-bleached. It has these very tiny knots to it. And with this hair, you do have the band, like I said, and you have a back comb for the construction, and then you also have 2 side combs on the inside. So you have one here, and then you have one over on the other side here. Okay, so with the band, I'm just making sure that it is attached in on this other side as well, because you want to get this nice and snug. If it's not nice and snug, then it's not going to look good. So you want to make sure it's snug so that you can wear it glueless. So it's looped in now. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust it, and you can adjust it right here with this. So it can be tight. I think that's good right there. And it also has a 3D cap design so that it's able to lay flat on your scalp. Okay, let's go ahead and put her on. Just taking this. And you want to avoid pulling at the actual lace in the front. You want to pull from the sides. I'm just tucking the combs in. And once again, the combs on each side are optional. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. Okay guys, so super easy to install. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my mousse to it and some water so we can get it looking nice and juicy. Okay, so I just added some mousse and a little bit of water throughout the hair, and this is the final look. It looks so good, you guys. Super easy install, glueless. Love this curly hair. I love that I can really switch it up if I want to. So I will have all the information on this hair linked in the description box below, plus a discount code so you guys can save some money on ISEEHAIR and get the viral wig that everybody has. I hope that you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!